Help me clean the car out? What'd you do to your bed? Why did you do that? A little frustrated? Help me clean the car out. Come on. Brown. Come on, let's run down here. Let's run down here. Come on. What we got? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, good boy. Maddie girl. Hoop. Hoop. Where's Brownie going? Come on, let's get him. Let's get him. Is that your chair? You gonna sit there? It's wet. Isn't it wet? Isn't that wet? You don't care? Okay. I'm just gonna sit there while I clean the car out? Okay. You wanna play with something? Let's get you a Frisbee. You get a Frisbee? No, wait. Hold on. No, hold on. Where's your Frisbee? Here. Maddie. Hope. Come here. Come here. No. Baka. So let me take the lead off. Let me take your lead off. Let me take it off. Here, look. 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 Is that a toy? Is that a toy? You don't know what to do with a toy? Huh? You want to help me clean the car?